Sabihin mo kung nag-dismount sila sa
Dismounted
malapit
na yan.
masyado.
Dismounted na yan kung saan sila ngayon.
Sa west side. After the choke, dismount. After the choke, dismount. Para mayroon tayong ano. Then spread out after. Nice spread. Nice spread. Huwag kayong lumayo muna. Nice spread muna. Nice spread muna. Garapata sa likod nila. Nice spread muna.
Nag-skip pa sa mo lead.
Dismounted sila sa
Pass lead. Pass lead. Pass lead. Pass lead. Pass lead. Clear mags. Clear mags. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Kailangan ko ditang sa front. Kailangan ko ditang sa front.
Two screen.
West side ang first ha. First party west side ha. Hold. Pangit yung choke natin. May puno. Come west konti.
Rotating far north sila.
Come west konti. Now, east pala. East naman. North again. Kailangan ko ng defensive dito guys ha. Walk lang ha. Walk.
One screen away.
Walk lang ha. May mga puno dito. Back konti. Back. Lugi tayo. Back. Engage tayo sa sa shallow sa atin ha. After ng hold.
Touching ha.
After ng DA ha. Help me. Engage tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt now. Big headbutt. Huge headbutt. All engage. Now, push now. Ready again ha. Ready again guys ha. Ready again. Garapata inside. Ready again. Execute. Kailangan ko ng defensive sa akin ha. Sasabihin nyo. Guys, ang layo nyo guys. Push.
Na-stop likod mo.
Oh, keep going. Sige, counter. We play counter. Sabihin nyo pag umarap, we play counter.
Sabihin nyo pag umarap.
We play counter, guys. We play counter.
They're looking.
Come now. Ready ha? Ready in front guys. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There. Ito na lahat guys. Huge damage daw. Now push now. Ready ditang sa on the skull ang next engage guys. Hilain nyo. Pahila sa skull. Pabedrak sa skull. Help me. Pabedrak sa skull. Follow skull now. Northeast. Follow skull now. Pabedrak sa skull please. Pabedrak sa skull. Hold. Defensive. Sa skull now. Ready. Huwag kayo mag-funnel in. Nasa east side ng skull, guys. Ready. East side ng skull, ha. Inohold tayo. East side ng skull. East side. After the night helmet. East side. Ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa skull now. East side sa skull. East side, guys. East side. Now, push now. West side yun.
Engage pa isa, Boshibo, ha.
Meron pa. May engage pa. Hold now. Ready. Wala. Push. They're looking. Ready defensive guys. Ready defensive west. Engage una. They're looking. Ready defensive now. West side ready in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West side now sa akin. Nice damage. Yung push now again. Regain comeback fast. On the skull now guys. Pabedrak sa skull please. On the skull. Engage sa skull. Hold. After 10. Andito ang skull guys. So, patay natin yung skull.
West looking.
On skull again. Come. Inside us. Outside. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Patay ako. Guys, go.
Shabu.
Yo, boys. East on.
Sige lang, i-brawl nila.
Now. Southwest. Keep walking southwest.
Huwag mag-loot.
Southwest.
Huwag mag-camp.
They're looking ha. Spread on te. Yo boys, engage tayo dito sa clerical in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just in this clerical. Good job. Now spread again. Spread. They're looking boys. They're looking.
Pacharyo tabang nagkukol.
Pumasok sa
outpost. You boys south lang. Walk south.
Layo kayo konti.
Stay sila sa loob.
They're looking. Keep walking south. Defend ha. Ready defend ha. Keep walking south lang. May tanks in northeast ko, okay? Keep walking south. Now, southeast na kayo. Spread on te.
Come back.
Spread. Defend. Yo, boys. Keep walking south lang. You're good, boys. You're good.
Nagbo-brawl yata ang brawler natin.
Engaging tayo northeast in 5.
Nagbo-brawl.
Southpost, pumasok sila.
Okay. Boys.
Hold
East in 5. East in 4. On this ditang kin 3, 2, 1. Ito, sa demon na to. Nice kills. Boys. Southeast. Ready defend.
Healthy pa tayo, guys. 19 pa tayo.
Boys, southeast lang.
Careful over the wall.
Southeast.
Nasa loob. Layo. Over.
Southeast of the outpost.
Come now. I'm back. Come now sa crown. Huwag kang bumaba sa chariot while calling. Come now sa crown. Oo. Come na sa crown. Layo kayo dyan. Brawl, layo, brawlers. West side tayo, ha. Layo, brawlers. Shallow tayo, shallow tayo. Hold. Itong inside sa atin, ha. Ready, ha. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the crown now. Itong dalawa. Nice. Back now. Defensive back. Back now. Sige lang, huwag tayong mag-west. Back lang tayo. Back sa choke. Ready, defensive sa choke. Defensive now. Face now. In the choke. Hold. Wala pa tayong brawler. Inside sa skull. Ready guys, after ng knight. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On me now. Huge damage on me. Nice. Now spread again. Now south. Hold. Huwag kayo mag-funnel in. West side tayo. West side. Go west. West. Defensive. Go west. Regain come back. Kahit sa tundra. Go west, guys. Go west. Mag-engage sila sa west. Nasa outpost sila eh. Come brawlers. On ping, guys. Ikot kayo. On ping, please. Huwag kayo mag-gabol. Brawler back. We need to stabilize.
Sa labas.
Come. Huwag kayo sa choke. Come south. Ikot tayo sa west. Sobrang liit ng lugar natin sa east side. Ilan sila? Gano'ng kalaki? Counter tayo, ha? We play counter. We play headbutt this time. We play headbutt this time. Ready, ha? Pa-save sa akin after this, ha? Hold. We play headbutt, ha? Guys, ha? See the crowd. Spread sa akin. Huwag kayo dyan, DPS. Huwag kayo pumunta sa harap ko. South, konti. South. Ready, ha? Ready. They're looking. We play headbutt, ha? Headbutt tayo, guys, ha? Come east now. Hold. Wag. Patay ka na naman, Gags. Wag.
Well.
North, ha? North. On the skull, guys, ha? Hold. Come back. Wag mo na. Hindi tayo makaka-brawl dyan. Come back southwest. Siling siya tayo, ha? Babalik tayo, tapos mag-engage tayo. Spread. Huwag kayong mag-clamp. On the choke northeast, ha? Ready. On the choke northeast. Ready in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the choke now. Northwest. Now spread southwest. Spread lang. Hold them. Hold them. Sabihin mo kung binobrawl sila sa likod, please. Patingin.
Hindi ko makita. Ikaw dapat sabihin mo Eros. Kasi
wala Buships, wala.
Wala. South guys. Spread sa south. Wala sila. Hindi sila binobrawl. Sa chocolate tayo, ha? Tingin lang sa crown. Sa chocolate tayo.
Facing you.
Engaging in your detang.
Engaging south, ha?
Hold. Engaging sila. Headbutt tayo, ha? After this one. Hold. Sa skull. Hold lang. Headbutt tayo, ha? In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Sa crown now. So huge. This is so huge, guys. Now push now. Naubos na sila. Push now. Ready defensive, ha? Pats, Judy, lahat. Defend. Okay, we're good. Pats now. East side next engage. Come sa crown. East side next engage. Pasok kayo. Sa choke tayo. Ready, ha? Pasok tayo sa choke. Ready. In 5 seconds, ha? 5. Sa choke, guys. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Sa choke na sa outpost. Choke sa outpost, please. Choke sa outpost. South now. Hindi tayo papasok. South now. East side. Guys, andito yung ping sa crown. Nag-iisa na lang ako sa crown, please. Huwag kayong pumasok sa outpost. Sa choke sa outpost, hindi sa outpost. Engage siya ulit on the front. South now. South again. Ready. Spread.
Looking again.
Healthy pa tayo, hindi na. Healthy pa tayo. Ready sa crown. Ready sa skull. Engage siya in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Sa skull now. Kill the skull. Execute. Nice. Now push now. Collar's dead. Defend me. Push now. Push pa rin, guys. Collar's dead. Next engage. West. Sige lang. Next, inside us. Defense inside us. Meron silang collar. Inside us. Engage siya inside us in 5 seconds. Ready, ha? Ready in 5. East side, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, east side now sa akin. Pa-execute now. South now. We engage on the brawlers. South, guys. Keep going south. Patingin sa crown. Ilan pa tayo? 17. Pa-engage sa crown. Come crown. Wala ako nakikita ang DPS sa harap ko. Patingin kung healthy pa tayo.
Hindi ka na healthy.
Oh, back now. Back konti. Wala akong heal sa akin. Mamatay ako. Back now. Spread. No, we spread. Sobrang pressure nila sa atin. Hindi natin kaya. Merong second caller. Dapat ready yung Mag-pop kayo ng Judy doon. Spread now, guys. Wala na. Tingnan natin yung kills. Tapos, asan na yung Hellion dun? Asan ang Hellion sa engage ng kalaban, please? Ay, masyadong sabog yung na-record kong audio. Asan yung Hellion? Bakit ang Hellion nakatingin sa gilid? Hellion inside, di ba? Kaya wala kayo sa party para mag-Hellion kayo inside. Back Tundra, then Widimas. Okay?